Welcome guys to Auto Surgery. Today we have a 2005 Toyota Sienna. Customers complained for the check engine. So let's check it out guys to see what's wrong with the vehicle. Come with me. So now we put the scanner on that vehicle to check the code that he has. This is the code guys. We have a P0305, misfire number 5. And then you give me another code, P0102, which is like mass airflow volume sensor. Oh my god. Another one, intake air intake sensor. Oh my god. Wow. And he has a throttle pedal. Alright, so we're gonna focus on the misfire number 5 because customers complaining about the vehicle keep shaking, keep trembling with her. So we're gonna be focused on this one. Toyota Sienna. This is a limited LX all-wheel drive. Number 5 always in the back here. So we're gonna look at the back here. First, to get this one, normally we take out the air filter here. Let's do it together. The air filter box. This I already took it off here. Just be extra careful. And the back, they have that sensor, the airflow sensor here. Let's put it on the back here. Then okay, normally guys, I'm supposed to take out that intake. Number 5. The number 5 is right behind here. I'm gonna pass my hand right here to do it a cut shot right here with my hand, that with my hands. Then with that to take it out that coil pack. Okay. So now guys, I use my long ply bar. I put it under here to lift it up. Okay, that baby out now. So once she's out, I'm passing my hands in the back here. Okay, I pass my hand in the back just to make this guy here. It's not easy, it's tight. It's really tight. Just like my old boss said. That's what she said. No? Okay. So now my hands is on. So now I just get that long nose pliers and then to remove this guy here. Here she is. Here she's coming. So now when I get here, I just turn it to unplug it in the back. That's what my hand's doing now in the back. Okay, that baby's out now. Okay, so now, so I just pull it nice and easy. Here she is. Okay guys, so now, this is the old one now. I'm gonna put the new one on it. Okay guys, this is the new ignition coil. This is the guy here. So now, there's a new baby right there. I'm just gonna put it on. Here she is, right there. Okay, so we're just gonna put this guy on it. Okay, because how do I know it's the ignition coil? Because I already do a test on it without the camera. That's why I knew there's the ignition coil. First, I was checking all those spark plugs, and I see the spark plugs in good conditions. And then when I swap this coil, I put it in the front here. When I put it on the front, and then that has changed. So automatically, I knew this is it. If it's not that coil, if it's not the spark plugs, I will check the injector. I will check the injector to see if it's not the injector. But since I do it fast and I already got it, and then I just take it out. So now, right now, I'm just gonna do the same way again. Put this guy here. And then we just go to the same corner. See? Take, you see? Just go right here. Nice and easy. She's already in the hole. Now I put my hand in the back to meet this guy. Now just want to make her sit to the hole. This guy here. Put it here. Then mount it here in the front. Not my face line though. Zoom on this one. On this one here, while I'm doing it here, I just get the feeling on this one. There she is. Okay, she's in now. She's in, as you guys can see. She's in. Baby right there. Just like I was telling you guys, this is not easy to put on in. Normally, to do a job like that, you should take out the intake. There she is. See? Now she's in. Now I'm just gonna use my long pry bar. I'm gonna use my long pry bar and to put it in. I push. Okay. That's what I use with my long pry bar. So now you have nothing to do. I'm just gonna swap this one this way. The reason why I'm turning this one, because I'm gonna put the screw on the top. There you go. She's in now. Now the time for the screw now. Same thing again. Okay, there she is. Now I put it. Now I just take my tin. Just take my keys and tight. One more last tight to make sure everything is tight and good. Yes. Okay. All right. Oh. Now she's out. It's good now. Now we have to put everything back. This wire in the back has to be connected for the throttle. If you don't connect it, you're in trouble. And the second one, and make sure this guy in. There she is now. Tight up. Okay, she's good. This guy in. Put that in. And for this airflow, connected the airflow as well. Everything's connected. One last thing to put, we'll put the F in there. this guy here. Shit dripping. Now we're gonna remove the check engine before we start the baby. Okay. Perfect. So the check engine has been clear. Now it's time to start that sexy right now. There you go. Ready? Thank you guys for watching that video. Hopefully that video could help a friend, family member. Please share that video. Thumbs up. If you have any question, do not hesitate. Please write your comments or whatever you want to ask. Do not hesitate. Go ahead, do it. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Get ready.